So once Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba.com, he told, today is difficult, tomorrow is going to be very difficult, day after tomorrow is going to be beautiful, but many die tomorrow evening. If you apply this to stock market, how can we say this? Today is difficult, tomorrow is more difficult, day after tomorrow is insane, the next day is stressful, the next day is irrelevant, the next day Dow fell 600 points, the next day Dow is up by 400 points, the next day Kospi is down, the next day XJS Nifty is down. So there is no beautiful day for traders, and that is what is happening today. Look at the market, Nifty and Bank Nifty, the way Nifty and Bank Nifty is trading. See this one. Yeah, this is the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty alone has been Bank Nifty has been trading in the range of 800 points. From 37,336 it came all the way down to 36,500, then it went to 37,200, it settled around 37,300 points. 800 points move in Bank Nifty in one trading session. How do you expect to trade Bank Nifty? That is why many people, even an expert trader, avoid Bank Nifty. The amount of volatility Bank Nifty is giving, it is simply not possible to trade Bank Nifty. And look at the Nifty, it gapped up, it was not able to sustain the gap up, it broke yesterday's low, came all the way down to 17,326 and settled at 17,564. That is also a 300 points move in Nifty. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both it was very much volatile. And if you see yesterday's video, even though I was putting a thumbnail where I was saying markets are likely to crash, I was not bearish. I didn't write any bearish position. I wrote heavy call. I was long in Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the position. I wrote 17,800 call option, 16,800 put option, then 16,200 put option. So all the way till 16,800 to 16,200. Actually this 16,200 was a hedge. This is 17,800 call option shorted yesterday heavily. Then I think 16,800 put option I wrote heavily yesterday evening, yesterday second part of the trading session. And you know what happened today. Once yesterday's low was broken, I squared off 17,800 and came out. Then once the market shooted up, I squared off 16,800 put option also. I was in a loss today morning and I made some adjustment and I was able to make some around 24,000 rupees today in today's trade, even though market was recovering and having a highly volatile move, right? So how do we manage this type of position? I have to put a separate video. We'll come out with a different type of video for this managing positions. So and if you see the open interest, everybody is now writing puts only, and they are writing in the money puts also, 18,000 in the money puts. And if you see the Bank Nifty also, there is a significant put writing in deep in the money. 37,000 call rating is happening. 37,000 call up is happening. And if you see the monthly contract, 38,000 is having the highest open interest. And if you see the Nifty weekly also, there is good amount of put writing. Yeah, only put writing is happening in Nifty. From 17,500 all the way to 17,300 and 17,000, even 17,000. There is put writing, and everybody is bullish in Bank Nifty also. And let us see, short covering is happening in Nifty, and let us see what is happening in Bank Nifty. There is a long build up in Bank Nifty, short covering in Nifty and long build up in Bank Nifty. And both the premiums are trading at a good, both futures are trading at a good premium. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty I am talking about. And if you see the FIA data, FIAs have been market movers. Yesterday they would have sold heavily, and let us see what has happened. Actually, DIs have been sellers, net sellers yesterday. They have sold for 1626 crores, and FIs have bought for around 92.5 crores, and today I'm sure they would have bought heavily. Let us see how things pan out. And I am not bearish, still bearish. I was kind of neutral, but I used the opportunity for opportunity in the market to make some money. If you see the market, for if I want, and there is one more thing I want to tell you is that if you see the Nifty 50 chart, for the last 1 week, I think last 4 or 5 trading session, Nifty hasn't moved anywhere much. From 15th of September till today, that is 21th of September, around 6 hour trading session, Nifty is exactly at 17,500 levels only. On September 15th, it was in 17,500, and still it is in 17,500 only. But it is moving violently between 17,800 and 17,200. So 17,200 to 17,500 could be a good area, good support and resistance, and maybe you can write a triangle there, but of course there's a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk. The last 3 or 4 events, last time when there was a Fed tapering event, same thing happened. Dow fell around 400 500 points and easily it recovered. Then Fed Reserve meeting came, same thing happened. Dow futures US market fell by 300 400 points, then immediately recovered. And this has been happening for the 2 or 3 more, the third time. This is the third time. This time I didn't miss. I went long when the market came down. When the VIX was up, I saw an opportunity and I was long in the market, and it has paid. If I was wrong, then I would have been in trouble, and as usual we will manage that. That is not an issue. So let us see what is going to happen. As of now, still I am long. I have good long positions, and I have written good amount of put options. So if the market gaps down tomorrow, so I'm going to be in trouble, and of course we will manage that, but we will see how things pan out. So hopefully I think markets are likely to go on the upside only. So that's what I think. So I have, as I told you, I have written put option, and as of now both US futures, if you know, US futures are in the green only. Dow futures is trading at around 237 point. Then S&P 500 is up by 30 points. Then Nasdaq is up by 100 points. So all the futures, US futures, are all in the green only. So we should be hopefully seeing green in tomorrow's market also. And if you see the VIX have been reduced by around 5%. Yeah, it is down by around 5.5%. So that alone is a good sign. And when you see the future premium, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is trading at a premium, we see markets are likely to bullish. And if you see, there is a short covering in Nifty. Yesterday there was a short build up, and today there is a short covering, and there is a long build up in Bank Nifty. Short covering in Nifty and long build up in Bank Nifty. So markets are likely to go on the upside only. So I think that's it for today. I've talked so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't short the market, try to be long in the markets. Markets are likely to go on the upside only. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.